The truth about building wealth after 60 and why it's not too late. They say it's too late after 60. I say that's when I finally got started. Hi, for those that don't know me, I'm Holly. And I was 70 when I realized I couldn't count on retirement. My Social Security wasn't enough. My husband had to go back to work, and I felt like such a failure. But I wasn't. I was seriously just misled like so many others are. No one told us we could start over at 60, 65, or even in your 70s. But I did. I found a model that paid me directly, 100%. I didn't need a storefront because it's globally automated for me. I didn't need tech skills or experience. I didn't need to convince anyone. I needed belief in myself and a path that actually worked. So today, I can earn more in one day than I used to in a week. And I work from home with my doggies and my kitties at my feet most of the time. If you're 60 plus and scared, I'm proof it's not too late. Comment info or visit my site to see how I started. Take a peek. It's free to explore. And if you have any questions, just send me an email. I'm here to help you. I'm certified and I mentor many. So let me know. Take a peek.